Hi friends, click on subscribe button to support me and hit on bell icon so you can get all my latest notifications.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your Abhilash back, and today I'm back with Samsung M20 mobile. So this is one of my subscribers sent me this phone for an unboxing. So I'm gonna make this unboxing. It's not a review, it's a quick unboxing. I'm gonna tell you the specifications. It has 16 centimeter display and 13 megapixel and 5 megapixel rear camera, which has ultra wide lens for this, and it has 8 megapixel front camera, 5000 mAh fast charging battery, and 32 GB inbuilt memory, and it can expand and it has 3 GB RAM. So that's the specs for this phone, and let's do the unboxing, guys. Before that, I really like to thank everyone. Because of you guys I have reached 34,000 plus subscribers. Thank you so much for your support and love. I expect the same from you guys, and the guys who are watching for the first time, please do subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon so you can get all my latest notification. And please do follow my new channel, which is Royal Legends Motorcycle Club, and you can find like many videos which regards to traveling and exploring like all over the cities, and the like it's all about traveling. So let's come to the point and start making the unboxing. So the actual price of this is around 11,290. My subscriber got it for a discounted price, 10,300 or 400 something. Let's do the unboxing. So here comes the top cover, and here comes the phone. Let's remove the phone, keep it apart, and let's see what's inside this. So I think it's maybe it's a user guide and the warranty card, other stuff. Let me just give this part. Here comes the charger. This is a fast charging adapter, and it has output of 9 volts 2 ampere. That is a fast charging charging unit. So this is the USB cable, and we get one SIM ejector. So this is a new style. I think this is the first time I'm seeing in this design. So that's it, guys. So you're gonna get, this is the item which you're gonna get. Let me just open on the phone and show you. I'll just try to turn on the phone and I'm gonna show you how it looks. Okay, it's asking for a pin. Just give me a minute. Yeah, this is how it looks. You can just see the camera. This is the front camera, and here comes the back camera, and it has a home button over here. So it doesn't have the home button over here. So you can see it's a complete full screen phone kind of thing. Just try to open this. Okay, this is how it's gonna look. You can see the sleek design, and here comes the two camera, 13 and 5 megapixel camera with flash, and here comes the fingerprints, and the front camera is over here. You can see the screen is the complete full screen. So here comes the camera, here comes the earpiece over here, and here comes the home button, back button, and other buttons. So this was just an quick unboxing, guys, because I'm not good at reviewing the product. I just want to show how the phone looks. So it was just a quick unboxing. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and please do let me know your feedback and suggestion in the comment section and video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video, and as usual, please do subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and support me in uploading more videos. Thank you so much for watching.